Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about quadratic sequences and we are going to find the rule, and the second learning objective is find the nth term of the quadratic sequences. If you see, I have written already quadratic sequence, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So our main aim is to calculate what is the value of a, B and C. So that's why I have put here question mark. So we are going to calculate what is value of A, what is value of B, and what is value of C. So let's see question quickly. This is our question. It's 2, 10, 24 and 44. So let's write down. If you see difference of 2 and 10, so it is plus 8. Similarly, 24 take away 10, so difference is 14, and 44 take away 24, so difference is 20. Yeah, let's write down 20. So what happens? This is called our first difference. So let's write down this is first difference. First first difference. Now 8 and 14, if you find second difference, 14 take away 8 is 6. Similarly, 20 take away 14, that is 6. So this is called second difference. So let's write down second difference. Second difference will give you your first value. So first value, that is second difference, and it is given by here. So let's write down A. A is half of second difference. Half of second difference. So second difference is 6. So it is 3. So A we got 3. So if you see here, we have got A is 3. So which is coefficient of x square. So finally, what we are going to write down here, 3x square. So this is giving you 3x square. So A is 3, so it is giving 3x square because coefficient of x square is A. So A is 3. Now, second thing is you write down our equation. What is our equation? Our equation is 2, 10, 24 and 44. Now, we'll write down 3x square and we'll replace x with 1, 2, 3. So if we put x is 1, 1 is square times 3, that is 3. So I can show you what is happening here. 3 times 1 square, that is 3. Similarly, 3 times 2 square. So 2 square is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So we are writing here 3, 12. This will be 27 and this will be 48. Let's draw a line, because from top line we are going to take away bottom line. In another way, you can say from 2 we are going to take away 3. So 2 take away 3, we have got minus 1. Similarly, 10 take away 12, we have got minus 2. 24 take away 27, we got minus 3, and minus 4 here, minus 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Now you need to think here, this is really important. This is really important. So what we are going to do here? How we can get minus 2 from minus 1? So from here, if you go here, what you should do? So definitely your answer will be minus 1. So if you do minus 1 and minus 1, it will be minus 2. If you do, how you can get minus 3 from minus 2? If you do minus 1. So similarly, this is also minus 1. So this will give you value of B. So B is minus 1. Now, B is coefficient of x. If you see here, B is coefficient of x. So here what we are going to do, we are going to write down minus 1 x, because B is coefficient of x. Now we need to calculate C. C is very easy. From this term you take away this term. So from here you take away this. So minus 1 take away and this minus 1. So be careful, there is double minus sign. So what is happening here? So minus 1 minus minus becomes plus 1 and it will be 0. So see, we got 0. Let's put a, B, C value in this equation. So A, B and C value we are going to put in this equation. So let's write down. So A we got 3, so we have got 3x square. B we got minus 1x, so we got minus 1x, and C is 0. So our final answer is 3x square minus x. So that is your final answer, 3x square minus x. So quickly we can see another question here, 5, 11, 19 and 29. So once we go from 5 to 6, 11 to 19 and 19 to 29, we get here 5 to 11, that is 6, and this is 8 and this is 10. Similarly, if you go from 6 to 8 and 8 to 10, so you get you are adding plus 2 and plus 2. So this is your first difference here, first difference, and this is your second difference. Now a is given by half of second difference, so second difference is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So no need to say your a is coefficient of x square, so let's write down uh, first term here, that is 1 times x square, 1 times x square. Now we are going to write down our equation. So our equation is, let's write down here, uh, our equation, that is 5, leave space little bit, 11 and 19 and 29. Now here is 1x square, so 1x square means x square. So if you put x is 1, so it will be 1 square is 1, nice and easy. If you put x2, 2 square is 4, and then this will be 9 and this will be 16. Same thing, same photocopy you need to do what you have done in the previous example. So if you see here, uh, from 5 take away 1, so 5 take away 1, let's write down 4. 11 take away 4, that is 7, and 19 take away 9, that is 10, and this will be 13. Okay, so same question I'm asking again, what you will do to reach from here to here. So uh, think about it, what you are going to do. So yes, that's right, you will add plus 3 here. Oh no, here also plus 3 and here is also plus 3. So we got plus 3. So B is plus 3. Now, no need to say B is coefficient of x. So we are getting here 3x. Now C is left. So what we are need to do? So for C, what you need to do? If you can quick recall, C is given by, this is 4. From this term, you take away this. So C is given by 4, take away 3, plus 3. So 4 take away 3 is 1. So we got C is 1. So let's put ABC in the quadratic equation. So we have got 1x square. Let's write down here 1x square. 1 we don't write in algebra, but I'm writing to make you understand. And B is 3x and C is 1. That is plus 1. So let's write down plus 1. So our final answer is x square plus 3x plus 1, and this is giving you nth term of quadratic sequence. So x square plus 3x plus 1. Now there is another question to you as a practice. Pause the video and just find out what is the nth term of this quadratic sequence, and B part is find the 50th term of the sequence. Yeah, pause the video and have a go. I hope you must have tried this question. Welcome back. So let's check your answer with my working and see wherever you gone wrong. If you are right, then it's well and good. So our equation is 9, 13, 19, 27, 37, and 49. So our first difference is from 9 to 13. If you go, so it is plus 4, then 13 to 19 is 6, and it is 6, then it is 8, and then it is 10, and then it is 12. So this is your first difference, so I'm writing in short first difference. Now, second difference, if you are going to take second difference, so second difference is from 4 to 6. Oh, you are writing plus 2, then it is plus 2, then plus 2, and then plus 2. So this is your second difference. And second difference gives you value of A. So A is half of second difference. Half times 2, that is 1. So it is 1x square. You know why I'm putting x square? Because a is coefficient of x square. So ax square. So let's put in a rectangular box so that you know that we have got one part. Now b part, again you need to write down the equation, our equation. So let's write down our equation. So 9, 13, 19, 27, 37, and 49. And x square. So x square, if you say, if you put x is equal to 1, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, then 3 square is 9, and 16, and it is 25, and it is 36. 36. So if you take away from top equation, bottom equation, so 9 take away 1. So we have got here 8. 13 take away 4, we have got 9. So let's write down 9, then 10, then 11, and so on. Yeah, 12 and 13. Let's write down. So what will you do so that you can get 9 from this term 8? So answer will be plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And it is plus 1. So here we got plus 1, and coefficient of b is x, so we can write down 1x. So this is our second part, and the last part is c. So last part is c. So what we do, this is plus 1. So as I told you that you can use from 8 you can take away 1. So from 8 you can take away 1. So 8 take away 1 is 7. So C, we got 7. So our final answer is x square plus x plus 7. This is our final answer. And B part was saying find the 50th term. So 50th term will be, 50th term is, put x is 50, that is 50 square, plus 50 and plus 7. So if you put 50 square, that is 2500, plus 50 and plus 7. So if you add them, then it will be 7, 5 and 5. 2557 is 50th term. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and really I'm going to upload my next video. Till then, goodbye.